Hi there, good day. My name is Vanesa Yvonne Sualeze, and as you can see at the profile tab, my names are Nesvilla Sualeze. I had to shorten it for you guys, so it's going to be really easy for you to pronounce. So in case you're just stopping by for the first time, or maybe you drove across, oh, just hang on there, let me help you refill your fuel tank. This is a very educative channel whereby you get to learn a whole lot of things, especially if it's concerning skincare, beauty, and maybe hair one day, because I think I'm actually transitioning like right now, and it's painful, guys. It's really painful, but that's not why we're here. We're here to discuss about things pertaining skincare. So maybe you've been following DIYs, you've been following a whole lot of skincare channels, and you're just not getting it, you're just not understanding it, you're just not flowing with them. Then you know, we're all people, we're all humans, and we want to always try something new, we always want to do something. So a whole lot of us are not doing it right, a whole lot of us are doing it wrong. So I will just share with the little knowledge that I have, and as a skincare therapist, a certified one at that, I will be giving you guys tips and tricks of what to do and what not to do, especially when it comes to you making your product yourself. So today I'm going to be sharing a powerful tip. This tip is really powerful, especially if you're in a country that you know, allows skin whitening or skin lightening. So you just don't whiten like that. Okay, you need to take a whole lot of supplements. You also need to use good product. You need to be very patient, because if you're not patient, trust me guys, you'll be doing it the wrong way. So today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 whitening powder combinations that really works. Okay, so 5 whitening powder combination or combo that really works for skin whitening or lightening. So one of it is alpha Aperone and licorice, or maybe licorice like you call it. So alpha Aperone, like we know, is a very powerful skin whitener. It is it was actually compared with hydroquinone. They said that according to research, please, I don't want to, I'm quoting them right now, so they said alpha Aperone is really good for skin whitening. So instead of you to use hydroquinone, then it's best to use alpha Aperone, and it's really going to whiten your skin. But if you do not know how to use alpha Aperone, then please, you need to make more research, okay, on using them. But it works really well when you combine alpha Aperone with licorice. Now this is one particular thing that I have noticed with time. I made a face cream like some months back, and I just used this powerful whitening combo, and that's alpha Aperone and licorice. Okay, so the licorice that I used was the white licorice. I did not use the brown or the licorice root extract. So you can use the liquid one, that's if you have a liquid form of licorice. I think that's licorice, water, and glycerin. Just make sure you're getting from a trusted source. Then the second combo is kojic acid and niacinamide. Now this particular combo, I like it a whole lot because kojic acid, like I said before, is a powerful skin lightener. I like it a whole lot, and I always use it in my products, despite the fact that it oxidizes in no time. So I like to use kojic acid. Just make sure you're using a very good antioxidant for that step, so that it doesn't oxidize. It doesn't oxidize really fast, I'm sorry. So a good combination of kojic acid, a good amount of kojic acid and niacinamide will do a very good job, especially if you're the type that has dark spots, or maybe you're having you know, dark patches, maybe dark knuckles. It will help. Okay, it will really help. So niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3, in case you're wondering, and trust me guys, this particular combo is very good if you are trying to make a facial serum. So there's a serum recipe I actually did. I'll put in the link somewhere, or maybe check the description bar for that video. Just make a serum of that sort, and please use this particular, I think I added this particular powder, this whitening powder combo in that particular serum, and trust me guys, it's been awesome. I have been using it for a while right now, and my skin has been so even. No more redness, no more you know, little dark spot. I don't have all that anymore. So it's a very good combo. Then the third one is niacinamide and NAcetylglucosamine. So I don't know, for beginners, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to a very good organic store, tell them that you want an acetylglucosamine. I'm going to write it down so that you know how to spell it. Then niacinamide, you can also call it niacin, or you can call it nicotinamide, and you can also call it vitamin B3. Okay, so these two combos are powerful, especially if you're having hyperpigmentation on your skin. Maybe you're trying to treat your sunburn, or maybe you're having acne scars and you want to, you know, treat it fine. Then niacinamide and N-acetylglucosamine is very good. Now, N-acetylglucosamine is a very nice anti-aging ingredient. Well, I call it, yes, it's a very good ingredient. I like to use it a whole lot, especially if I have niacinamide in that formulation. So N-acetylglucosamine will help boost the effect of niacinamide. So that's it. Then the fourth one, and this I'm so sure of it, is Sim White and Tranexamic acid. But you have to be careful. Okay, this particular whitening combo is awesome. It's fabulous. It whitens, it really brightens the face in no time. But make sure that you're using penetration enhancers for all this in your formulation so that they work very well. And make sure you're using the right usage rate for them so that it works pretty much fine too. So Sim White and Tranexamic acid is fabulous. But I noticed that the face cream I made with it one time actually changed color. It went from a white color to a peachy color, like what I'm wearing right now. Yeah, got to this type of color, and it was just not it at all. I didn't really like it, but the effect was still there. I was seeing effect in no time. It really helped with dark spot, and I just had to stress that part out because it worked seriously very well for dark spots. So that's about it for this particular combo. Make sure you're using their correct usage rate, because if you don't do that, I'm sorry, you may not get the most out of the ingredient, or the ingredient. Then the fifth one, the last and maybe the least, no, the last but not the least, is Sepia White and Kojic dipalmitate. Now, if you're aware, I mentioned kojic acid before, and now I'm saying kojic dipalmitate. Kojic dipalmitate is a stable form of kojic acid, but I kind of believe that, well, not due to research, but due to practice, due to long time of using this ingredient, I have come to notice that kojic acid is actually more active than kojic dipalmitate. Yeah, I may be wrong, but this is my own observation. I have noticed this, and so you need a very active ingredients to go ahead with the kojic dipalmitate that you're to use. Now remember, kojic acid dipalmitate is almost not the same thing as kojic acid. Kojic acid is an unstabilized form of kojic acid dipalmitate. So if you go to an organic store, maybe you're asking questions, what's the meaning of kojic acid dipalmitate? They may not know. What you have to tell them is, I want kojic dip. Okay, they know it as kojic dip. So that is it for the 5 whitening powder combination that really works. And Sappy White, as you know, is also known as Skin White MSH. It is a very very good whitening powder, though it's oil soluble, and their solubilities, yes, is quite tricky. Then alpha abitin, the first one we mentioned, alpha abitin and licorice can actually be water soluble. Okay, it's water soluble, it's glycerin soluble, and kojic acid and niacinamide is also water soluble, and that's the second one. And the third one is niacinamide and NAcetylglucosamine. It's also water soluble. So just make sure that you're using the right amount of water, you're using them at a very good ratio, and everything is working out fine. Then the fourth one is Seam White and Tranexamic acid. So you can want to actually like this particular powders, I don't really dissolve them before I add them into my products. So what I do is I just kind of like make my products, especially if it's a water-based product like your face cream right now, and then I add it at the last stage. I just put the powder in it and make sure that the product absorbs it and dissolves it. So that is what I kind of like do, and it's been awesome, trust me. So the fifth one is Sappy White and Kojic palmitate. Now if you've noticed, I had to combine this both together because Sappy White or Skin White MSH is an oil soluble ingredient, and Kojic palmitate or Kojic acid palmitate is an also oil soluble product, so ingredients rather. So you need to combine both of them together, and please do not overheat them or else their effect will not come out very well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would want to watch a video of me, or maybe if you have any requests for making any of this particular, using this ingredients to make a particular product of your choice, please drop it down at the comment bar, and I would look at them and walk towards it. So please do it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up please, and do not forget to subscribe. I hope I'm not that boring. I know I'm a boring person, but I know I'm not that boring right now. So it is very educative. Please make sure that you practice all the time. If you don't want to practice, then make sure that you give it to somebody to help you do it, and you're trusting that person to do it very well for you. So leave a comment, just try and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get videos anytime that I post it. Okay, have a nice day guys. I love you. Bye.